Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can become a mushroom on Dress to Impress. So for the hat hack, we're just going to find this hairstyle. If I can just find where it is. I actually don't know where it is. Let me just scroll down. Okay, here it is. I'm going to color it white, and then we are going to use this hat. I'm going to layer on some more items, don't worry. Turn off the ribbon, and I'm going to toggle it to the third one, I think, and I'm just going to color it this red. Then I'm just going to layer on some more like hairs just to make it more cohesive. Let's see. Only bangs. Okay, I think that's good enough. And then for the fit, obviously you can wear whatever you want with it. I'm just going to try to layer on some fits here. Okay, actually I'm just going to color that white. And then I'm going to use this too, I think. Yeah, let's add that on, and we're going to also use this one. Let's put it on matte, and you can add more stuff to it, obviously, but this is just an example right now, so I'm just going to do that. And then for the like grass here, I'm going to use the Cupid's cloud. And then I'll leave the rest the same color. That is how you can create a mushroom fit on Dress to Impress. I think I'm just going to go here and make the material a little bit shiny. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.